Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel. Today I have got a very useful AutoCAD tips for you, especially if you are struggling with fillet command. A lot of people run into this issue and they don't know why it happens. So let's just break it down and try to fix it in this video. So in this video we are going to apply fillets to the edges of these two lines and understand why AutoCAD shows the lines are non-coplanar error. So without any delay, let's jump in and solve this issue. As a first step, I will apply a fillet to these two perpendicular lines. Type fillet, select the first line, set the radius to 150, then select the second line. And here we get the error and it says lines are non-coplanar. So what does that mean? Non-coplanar simply means the lines are not on the same plane, usually because their z values are different. Even if they look flat, one of the lines might be slightly above or below the other in 3D space. Now let's check the geometry and correct this error. Select the line and open the properties panel. Look at start z and end z values. These values should always be 0 for 2D drafting. So as you can see, one of the line have a different value and let's fix that. Change the start and end z values to 0. Now both lines are on the same plane and let's try the fillet option one more time now. Type fillet, select the first line and the second line. And you can see the fillet works perfectly now. Now you can apply the same steps for any other lines showing this same error. That's it guys. This is one of the most common fillet issues in AutoCAD and the fix is super simple once you know where to look. Just check your Z values whenever you see the non-coplanar error. If you have learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.